Howdy, fifth grade. We're going to talk a little bit more about commas this week. So, if you look in your book, page 498 is where this lesson is going to come from this week. And this is actually the worksheet that you are going to be doing on Tuesday, tomorrow. So make sure that you remember to get this activity done. You can also do it on Pearson Realize. But if you want to follow along on this page today, um, that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to talk about commas and introductory elements. So anytime we introduce something, or talking to someone, we're going to actually use a comma. This is a pretty simple thought. So let's say I'm speaking to my husband. I might say, Cody, oh, thank you for taking out the trash. Put Cody at the beginning of the sentence, so I offset his name with a comma. Because if I just have the words, thank you for taking out the trash, it is still a sentence all by itself. But if I add Cody's name at the beginning, then I have to put a comma. Same thing if I put his name at the end. Thank you for taking out the trash, Cody. I have to offset his name again with a comma. Same thing, I have the whole sentence, and then I have a comma in his name. I can also put his name right in the middle of the sentence. Thank you, Cody, for taking out the trash. Now you notice I used two commas when I did my sentence like that. I have to offset the name completely. So I have thank you, comma, Cody, comma, for taking out the trash. That is an introductory element. That is whenever I use someone's name. Now, there's lots of different words that I can use. I can use the words yes or no. I might say, yes, be sure to finish page 498 this week. Or no, you don't have to put your name on your paper. All of those words would also have a comma. I'm just introducing what's coming after it. It's not actually part of what I'm getting across. So make sure you practice this. You don't have an activity with it today, just to watch this video. So hopefully that gave you a little bit of an insight what we're talking about. You will be doing 498 tomorrow, and on Wednesday you'll take a little Google Forms quiz. So keep practicing, keep using commas. Have a good day.